Oh, we got ourselves a 2021 Forest River Sunseeker. Absolutely beautiful. Full body paint, 2 slide outs, lots of storage. Only 46,000 and some kilometers on her. Absolutely amazing. Let's go in. There's the model number. Take a look at this beautiful outside TV. All right, walk it in. Take a look at the driver's seat, cruise control, backup camera. Both of these seats do swivel towards the living area. We got dual power theater seats directly across from the TV. Huge U-shaped dinette that does convert into a bed. Look at the countertops. Magic Chef microwave. Lots and lots of storage. Double bunk out front. That's for your trash. Dual stainless steel sinks with covers. Nice Magic Chef fridge. It's already nice and cold. Take a look at this. So that door opens up. It's on a magnet. You pull this out. That's awesome. Okay. Midship shower with a skylight. And just the other side of the hallway, that door opens up like so. There's a magnet up top that leaves it open, so you do have privacy as well. Ceramic toilet, medicine cabinet, a very well placed fan. There you go. All right, and in the back is the master bedroom. There's a nice upgraded queen mattress on its own slide out. Lots of storage here for clothes. Another TV. Big, beautiful window up back. Folks, if a C-Class is not big enough for you, we have diesel pushers like you wouldn't believe. All right, folks, if you like what you're seeing, please give one of our friendly salespeople a call. Book your appointment, and we will get this coach ready for you. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.